In this really quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Kia Soul key fob. This device was used on Soul models between 2010 and 2013, and it takes just one CR2032 battery to run. So just follow along, super easy. The first step is actually to open up this key, and if you look at the back, there is this back bottom section of plastic. We will be removing it simply by going into the area where the key is housed and pushing up on that piece of plastic. You can hold on to the top and push this piece off. And if that's a little bit tricky for you, if it doesn't want to come off when you push it like that, you can take a coin or a flathead screwdriver. With a coin, you can kind of pry the back off, or with one of these, you can just again hold this top part and just kind of push up on that little lip on the inside of this piece here. Once it comes free, set it to the side. Now I like to use a flathead screwdriver just to get in between the battery and this plastic kind of housing here. I'm just going to stick the corner in there. And once it's in, you pry upwards, just like that. Take a brand new CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face up, and you will just push it into place so that it sits securely. And all we gotta do now is click this back piece of plastic back on, and you can put your key away and you are all set. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comment section or go ahead and give us a like. And for any more information on changing the batteries for key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.